Okay, I'm really still right now. I'm going to try to trigger. Oh, there it is, it's on. Oh, someone's coming in the back. Yep, got him. That was a great action shot there. That's how far away I am. From here, across the room. Oh, sorry. Did it go off again? There it is. And then it appears that it takes a second or two. I know. I mean, this is how far away I was from it, so. But here it is. Here's the unit. And I was here, straight across the other side of the room, so. All right. And I guess you just pull that CDS cell off if you don't want it to, be in dark mode. All right.